Qingdao Genron International Trade Company Limited main business is exporting all kinds of trailers, trailer parts, spare parts, and man-hand welding machinery, automatic welding machinery, trailer production line, dry ice machine, etc. We have our own cooperation factory, which produced trailers for more than 15 years. Our boss have been visited more than 22 countries for checking trailer truck markets in past 13 years. We can supply the right product in shortest ways and cheapest value for you. The strong advantage of Genron Company is we have our own professional technical design team and after-sales service team. If you uncertain your products or your own design, we can go to visit you, help you checking and analysis your market, and gave you special and right design according to your country situation. Our sales manager has more than 12 years working experience. We can give you the right product in very short way. Our after-sales service is to build Genron maintenance department in every place where Genron products arrived. We are focusing on that Genron products can got repair within 24 hours in everywhere of the world. We are looking for a sales agent in each country. Welcome, join us. Don't waste your time. Don't waste more money. Cooperate with professionals. Spend your money on valued things. Let us to be your business partner is the shortest way to get your goods.